Nothing beats the flavor of a juicy, flavorful homegrown tomato. Here's what you'll need to grow your own. First, choose a spot to plant your tomatoes that gets at least 6 hours of sun a day. Tomatoes also thrive in rich, well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. There are 2 classifications of tomato plants, and you can always plant a bit of both. Choose determinate varieties if you prefer a more compact bush-type plant, or you wish to harvest all at once for canning or freezing. And for an almost year-round harvest, opt for a vining indeterminate variety like these. Now you're ready to plant your tomatoes, but it's essential to wait until the soil's temperature is consistently above 60 degrees. As you plant, remove the lower leaves, then cover with soil. A strong root system will emerge off the buried stem. Conserve your growing plant's energy by pinching or pruning the suckers. These unproductive shoots grow in the joint between the stem and branch. As they grow taller, stake or trellis each plant's main stem, and start early. Lanky plants get out of control quickly. Next, keep plants watered and mulched, especially during hot, dry conditions. Tomatoes require at least 1 inch of water per week. Finally, don't forget to fertilize the plants periodically. Use a balanced formula based on your soil's pH test results. As a general rule, 888 or 10-10-10 fertilizers are recommended for tomato plants. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.